Hello friends, for making Til Gur Mawa Barfi, we are taking around 2 cups of sesame seeds. So we have taken brown sesame seeds. You can also use white sesame seeds as per your liking. So we have to dry roast the sesame seeds in a pan. So we have already heated a pan and we are dry roasting the 2 cups of sesame seeds in it. So just make sure that don't burn the sesame seeds. You have to roast them just for 2 minutes only, because the sesame seeds roast very fast, and if you overdo them, if you roast them too much, they will become bitter in taste. So be very careful and keep the flame on medium low while you're roasting them. Don't roast them on the high flame. And keep stirring it while you're roasting them. It's been 2 minutes and our sesame seeds are roasted. Now you can turn off the flame and transfer these sesame seeds in a plate to cool down. So once it cools down, we will be making a coarse powder with the sesame seeds in a blender. So now in the same pan on a medium-low heat, we will be roasting the mawa or khoya. We have taken 150 grams of mawa for Til Mawa Barfi. So now we need to roast it until it leaves some ghee on the side, and keep stirring it while you're roasting it. Add some ghee while roasting the mawa. It will give a nice flavor to the mawa. So we need to roast the mawa until it is light brown. So it looks like our mawa is roasted. So now we can take out this mawa in a bowl. So now our sesame seeds are cooled down. So now we can blend them in a blender to make a coarse powder. Now use the blender to make a coarse powder of sesame seeds. So now our coarsely ground sesame seeds are ready. So this is how it should be. We should not be making it very smooth. It should be coarsely ground like this. So now we have taken about 1.5 cup of gur or jaggery. You can adjust the amount of gur as per the level of sweetness you want. So now we have to add this gur in the same pan we have been roasting our mawa. So now in this gur add about 3/4 cup of water. So we have taken 1.5 cup of gur and we are adding 3/4 cup of water. Keep the flame on medium. So we need to bring this gur to a boil. So now we can see that the gur has been melted. So now we need to bring it to a boil. So now our gur has come to a boil. Now reduce the flame to low and add the coarse ground sesame seeds. Mix it well. Now add the roasted khoya our mava. Mix it well. Now keep the flame on medium. Now add coarsely ground cardamom. Mix it well. Now we can turn off the flame and add the chopped cashews and almonds. Mix them well. Now grease a bowl in which we have to make the barfi with the ghee properly on all the sides so that the til gur barfi doesn't stick. Now transfer this til gur barfi mix in the bowl and we have to make the barfi in it. Now spread it on all the sides. And allow it to rest until it solidifies a little bit. Then we'll cut into the pieces. So once barfi cools down, we can cut it in the desired size pieces. So I am cutting in the square size pieces. So now our til gur mava barfi is ready, and you can enjoy it at any time of the festival or any celebrations you have, and it really is a good sweet and dessert at the time of winter. So enjoy it at the time of winter because sesame seeds and gur both are warm in nature and it keeps your body warm from inside. So enjoy this sweet with your family and friends and let us know if you like this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for many more such delicious recipes, and don't forget to like and share it.